Welcome to my Texas kitchen. Today I'm getting ready for some gingerbread houses and I'm making some lollipop ponds. I'm going to start with 2 cups of sugar. So there's 1 cup and 2 cups. And we're going to have 3/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of Karo syrup. And we're going to cook this until it reaches 300 degrees on a candy thermometer. I'm cooking it over kind of a medium heat. And I'm going to stir it up just a couple of times to blend all those ingredients. I think we're all ready for some holiday cheer. And gingerbread houses are a really fun activity for just one house or a whole bunch of them. So what I like to do is to make these special custom candy decorations that add a lot of fun and just different colors to the houses. Okay, so I'm showing you how to make these, and all you're going to need is a saucepan. You will need a candy thermometer, and when it reaches 300 degrees, you're going to add a little bit of food coloring, of the blue food coloring, just a couple of squirts, and then I'm going to give it a little stir. And I have a silk hat ready. I think that's the best thing to pour them on, a little silicone baking mat. You could pour them on wax paper also, if you don't have a silicone mat. Okay, so once it's 300 degrees, I'm just gonna pour these out in these little irregular shapes, like a little pond. So here we go, here's the first one. And that's how easy it is. So I'm gonna continue pouring until all of my mixture is used up. And then they're gonna dry completely hard in 10 minutes. So that's all there is to it. Okay, so I'll have more YouTube videos on different decorations for the gingerbread houses. So join me, and the recipes will be in my blog, texaskitchen.com.